closer, so just videoing the door closers at my school and videoing the rest of them. So this one is a not used one. There's a pile of bracket marks, but you can't really see that. That one didn't never have a door closer on it, so yeah. I'll take you to the next unused. I've got to be quick though, because I don't want to get pushed. This one's perfectly parallel with the door. I think that's the perfect install that we don't use. We've done that door closer and we've done that door closer. This one's that one that never actually shut because of the latch. You've seen it do it? Yeah. And then there's that one. The latch is open. You see, I've already done that. Yeah, there's a new thing going on, so I'm trying not to be too funny. I would do this one, but it's connected to the fire alarm, and I don't want to set any fire alarms off today. So this is just a donga. I don't know what make it is or anything like that. So yeah, I got a picture of it from this angle once. Yeah, I remember that. I'll just do another. With the delay feature. I can't do that one because the door's locked over the fire alarm. It's got a magnet on it instead of a switch though. This one's a Brit 1000 piece, Harry. See? It's this one. I'll show you it. I'll have to slow it down because it bangs a bit. Oh, it doesn't go like that, it has kind of. I'll be posting it on YouTube, the video, so I'm doing door closer at the moment. Well, this one has delay, so it goes slow. It kind of clicks, like it stops. Oh, it didn't do that noise it usually does. It'll usually go. I'll put that out so I'm aware of when it shuts. See, it does that weird, strange, like when the arm touches the body, it does that because it's got a loose arm, and it's slammed that time. That door that leads outside, that's got a bit of an effect on this one, because it kind of blows it open whilst it doesn't matter once it's open over here. It won't affect it when it's open here, but then when it starts latching speed, it slows it down sometimes when the wind blows too far through the doors. Right. It didn't do the noise that time. It does creak on latch though, which is really. Yeah, you see? It does that noise. It doesn't do it all the time. Yeah, it likes to do that. I usually go through this door when I'm doing fruits, but I wanted to show you guys. The door wedge has gone missing, so yeah. I'll do this one more time from behind the door. That one goes exactly the same speed.